If someone wrongs you, does striking back truly make things right, or does it simply add another layer to the pain? Throughout history, people have debated whether responding to harm with harm can ever genuinely restore balance. Some argue that retribution is a natural response, a way to reclaim what was lost, or to signal that wrongdoing has consequences. Yet others question whether this cycle actually leads to healing, or if it merely perpetuates an endless loop of suffering and resentment. When we retaliate, do we genuinely resolve the underlying hurt, or do we risk becoming what we once opposed? What if instead we chose to break this cycle? Could forgiveness or alternative forms of accountability offer a more meaningful path toward resolution and growth? Imagine a world where the response to harm isn't more harm, but understanding and empathy. Does that create a stronger foundation for lasting peace? Consider your own experiences. Has retribution ever brought you true closure, or has it left an emptiness that no act of payback could fill? Reflect deeply on what truly restores balance in your life and in the lives of those around you.